My name is Clarence Sitzman. I'm a veterinary dental specialist working through Peak Veterinary Specialists in Windsor, Colorado. Today we're going to talk about brushing your dog's teeth, or your cat. First of all, let's go over a little anatomy here. When you look at how a skull is, the teeth have different propensities to get the calculus on them. When you look how they chew, the insides of these teeth keep the outsides of these fairly clean, and these here, just because of the chewing action, stay moderately clean on these other premolars here. What ends up happening is we have an area around the fourth premolar and around the canine teeth that are not able to clean themselves. So when we're brushing our teeth, these are going to be our two main target areas. When we look at the different things that are available for brushing the teeth, I like this probably the best. We have a toothbrush that has a large end and a small end on it. Especially for big dogs, you can use these several ways, either the large end for brushing the bigger teeth and then the small end for getting that, or in our case we have a Lab and a Shih Tzu. This is the Lab end and this is the Shih Tzu end. The toothpaste, you can get many different kinds of toothpaste. You want to use a fluoride toothpaste if possible, but be sure you stick to an animal toothpaste. Many of the human toothpastes have things, additives to them that make them foam up and smell good and taste good that really aren't good if they're swallowed. Unless you can teach your dog and cat to gargle and spit when you're done, you really want to use animal toothpaste. This particular kit here has a finger brush that you can use on your finger. It has the big two-way brush here, and some toothpaste all comes in the same kit. We have smaller kits for cats that have a different kind of a feline toothbrush. That's a very small pointed toothbrush for kitties, and again a little bit less toothpaste with these here. And then you can buy the toothpaste by themselves. There's also, you can buy other brushes from yourselves. There's nothing particular about these brushes. You just want a nice soft bristle brush for a dog. When you're ready to brush your dog's teeth, what I usually recommend doing is turning on some warm water and taking the brush and warming the bristles up a little bit. Again, that helps keep the bristles soft. Remember, when you're putting the toothpaste on, not to layer it on top, but actually get it towards squeezing in the brush. So usually when you're brushing your teeth, I like to approach them first of all from this side, only because I can handle them better from this side. I actually like to keep the mouth closed. Again, what we're looking at is our main target areas is the upper fourth premolar and the canine teeth here. So when you have their mouth closed like this, you can lift up the lips and you can see everywhere you're going. So you can slip this in here and see what you're doing. You want to use a downward circular motion. Be nice and gentle when you're brushing these teeth here. And the object is just to remove the plaque that's accumulated during the day. Come up and get the canine teeth the same way. And you can see that they like to lick here once they get the taste of anything. We're on the canine, the downward circular motion. And again, these other premolars, back and forth action like this. Then when I go to the other side, I'm holding up actually with my thumb on this side. Again, start with your fourth premolar area. Go to your canine teeth. Brush in here, and again get your premolars here on this side, the other premolars. And then what I like to do at the very end is just get our incisors at the very end, just lift up the lips like this and go back and forth. And as you can see, the dogs are going to usually like to lick a lot because that's what dogs do. They think there's food in their mouth, and so especially a Lab wants to get that food inside. So holding the mouth shut helps keep that tongue action down quite a bit. But that's all there is to brushing a dog's teeth. It's a fairly simple procedure. It shouldn't take you more than once you get used to it, more than about 1.5 to 2 minutes at night at the very most. And what we recommend is brushing on a daily basis. If you're brushing 2 to 3 times a week and you forget one of those brushings, then you've gone 4 or 5 days between brushings. They have done studies that show that if you're going more than about 48 hours between brushings, that you're probably not doing a whole lot of good. So again, we recommend every day. If you happen to miss a day, that's not going to be a huge problem.